Hey guys, Doc Willard here. Just going to show you a unique gift that I received. We haven't discussed it before, but my wife and I are beekeepers. So we saw this listed. It's Bees Cause. Help us help the bees. Together we make a difference. And so basically what this is it's a project that you purchase a bracelet and it helps to support and raise 100 bees, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is a lot. It takes a lot of money, time, interest, training to properly keep bees. So this is what I received. So it comes with a postcard. No, not a postcard, but a postcard explaining, saying thank you. Okay. Then it also comes with a couple of stickers. Which is pretty cool. Nice little touch. There's also a card in here. Shows all their social media outlets. All right. And this is super cute and super cool. Be able to carry the bracelet around in a little sack. All right. And then here's the bracelet. And it does have a little bee right there, which is super awesome. So it's like an amber color, and it's an adjustable bracelet that you can tighten and loosen. So yeah, I believe we paid $20 a bracelet, and they were shipped to us from Canada, and they got here exceptionally fast. I would say maybe 4 business days. So it's pretty good. And you can see here, I'm actually already wearing a bracelet here. So yeah, so that's the bracelet. It's really cool. Your typical construction of one of these bracelets. I don't have measurements of the beads or anything, but I just wanted to share what we have for any beekeepers out there, anybody who's interested in beekeeping, that it's a good way to help. If you can't necessarily keep bees, it's a good way to help support bees. So, all right guys, as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit subscribe and give you a thumbs up.